Just a quick video on the oxygen sensors on a NC Miata. I recently had a code p0037, which is the downstream oxygen sensor behind the catalytic converter. These cars actually have two catalytic converters in line. The catalytic converter, the first one's actually up in the manifold, it's kind of built into it. The second one's just behind that. And 0037 indicates a problem with the O2 sensor that's downstream. So just to give you an idea where they are, the best way to do is go ahead and jack the car up, be safe of course, and take off the right front wheel. And you can see through the wheel well here, the upstream oxygen sensor, if I can get light on it here, is located there. Okay, I had to replace that, well, I don't know, probably 6-8 months ago, something like that. So there's the upstream oxygen sensor right there. Now the downstream oxygen sensor is literally about 18 inches behind that. It's not way in the back of the car, well you might assume, but if you come underneath the car here, the downstream oxygen sensor is located right there. Okay, and unlike some of the earlier editions where you had to take the carpet out and everything like that to get to the sensor and had a long lead leading behind the driver's seat, this one actually has about a 20-inch lead or so, leads to a connection, and I'll pull that out and show it to you in just a second. But let me pull this O2 sensor out and we'll go from there. Okay, well here's the downstream O2 sensor out of the car. It's been about 10 or 15 minutes trying to mostly get this connector off here. You see the whole length on this thing is only about, ballpark 19, 18, 19, 20 inches. Basically a modular connector, not big deal. This thing almost looks OEM, but I'd have a hard time believing that as my car has about 280,000 miles on it. So it's going to be simple plug and play. I'm going to use a Denso unit. Again, 0037. Hopefully that helps with the location of this sensor. Thanks.